Our daughter bought us this Dreo 42-inch tower fan. It's Wi-Fi, so it works with your Bluetooth. But I'm going to show you what's in the box. Okay, it comes with a remote and a battery is already installed. It's a 2025 CR battery. And it also comes with this. I don't know what this is. I try to read it and turn it upside down. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's some labels you put on it. Then you got your manual right here, the user's manual. And that manual is also in the app. And you have a 5-year warranty. So you can scan all this stuff into your phone. And this right here is a quick connection on how to put this together and how to assemble it. So I'm unbox this and show you how easy it is. First, you take the base. And it goes on one way. You just cross them up and you pull them together and you'll hear it snap. I don't know if you heard that snap or not, but it snaps right in place. And to take it off, you just pull those little snaps back and it'll unfold. But that's how easy it is to put that base on. So I'm going to take it off and just show you. Just push that together. And it pops right off. So that base is really easy. They overlap and you just snap them together. And it's only one way this thing will fit anyway. So you can throw this manual away and just follow these simple instructions. And once you get that base on, you take your plug and you want to pull your plug through this. And it only fits one way, as you can see right there, and you're going to hear it snap when I turn it. And to take this thing off, it's a little button you can push and turn it the other way. So I turn it clockwise to put it on. Then you just take this your cable and run it through that little loop. And that's really it for the base. But before we plug it in, I'm going to show you something here on this plug. It has a fuse. So if you ever have a problem where this thing would not come on, check this little fuse right here. As you can see, this little fuse, it's just a protector, I guess. But I just wanted to show you just in case you didn't know. So if you ever have a problem and it don't work, it has that fuse. So next thing you want to do is plug this thing in. Once you plug it in, you want to download that app. It's called the Dreo app. And this remote, like I said, already comes with the battery. So you could turn it on. And you don't have to download the app. You may just want to use the remote. And it's really simple. You can just play with this thing, just hit different buttons. You got your normal, you got your isolation, you got your nature, you got your sleep. The sleep mode is when you turn it on sleep mode, every 30 minutes it'll go down a notch. So if you got it on 4 and 30 minutes, it'll go down to 3 and 30 more minutes, 2 and then 1, and it'll stay on 1 once you sleep. So let's go ahead and download this Dreo app. And as you see, mine's already downloaded, but it's simple to do. But once you download it, you hold this isolation button for about 5 seconds. And you're going to notice the Wi-Fi button start blinking right there. You see that Wi-Fi button blinking? Once that's done, you see your device popped up. But make sure your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and stuff is on. And once you do that, you click on that little button right there. And it accepts it, and it says click that and hold the isolation button. Once you do that, you go to next, and it's pairing, and that's easy. Enter your Wi-Fi information, your password, and it's going to connect you to it. And it's, like I said, it's that simple. There you go, the tower fan. And this also works with the Alexa, and it also works with Google Home. So you can just hit the button to turn it on. Hit that button again. You got different modes. You got the normal. Then you got the natural. Then you got sleep. And you also have that A over there to the right for auto. So it adjusts. But it, like I said, this inside this app, it has the manual. So I'm going to show you something how to take the battery out. In case your battery go dead, you just take a pin or whatever and push this little knob in, to push in, and there you go, your battery will come out. Like I said, it's a 2025 25 CR battery. That's 20 millimeters in diameter, 2.5 millimeters thick. So you just take that battery out and put a new one in. And once you put your new battery in, you're done. So that's how you change the battery. So this thing is easy to operate. We like it. We've been using it. You know, you get older, you get lazy, you just want to use your Wi-Fi or your remote. But there you go. And another thing, this thing is really light. You just take it down and got a little handle there at the back. You could carry it up or downstairs. And also on the back side, it has a little slot to where you can put your remote control. So you just slide a remote control in. There you go. And if this video helped, subscribe to my channel. And thank you and have a great day. And if you want to purchase one of these, just look in the description below.